All right, I'm getting this tart ready for the beach. And this is another one of those easy, simple, but delicious recipes. Now, I was just chopping my pecans because I'm actually going to press those down into our crust because they're just so good in the crust of this tart. Now, I'm just putting flour into the food processor. And this is powdered sugar. And we can't have a tart without a little butter. All right. All right, I'm going to pulsate it. And we're going to hit this until it just forms a ball. All right. You can see the way it's formed itself into a ball. So it's ready to take out of there. And y'all be careful when you're removing your blades from your food processor because they're terribly sharp. All right, now I want to talk about my pan for a minute. This is actually a quiche pan / tart pan, and the bottom comes out so you're not going to be messed up when you go to remove your tart from the pan. And this is non-stick, so I'm not even going to spray it, and I actually don't think it would need a lot of spray anyway because of all the butter. All we're going to do is just put this in the pan and pat it out. The important thing is to get your crust even and get it pushed back into the little waves. All right, so I'm just going to sprinkle those pecans around. I'm just going to spread them out. All right, our pan's ready. Now I'm going to put this into a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I've got one that's already cooled over here, and we're going to finish putting it together. See how pretty it browned, and I can push up the bottom, and you can see we're not going to have any problems. You know, sometimes when you make pies and you go to cut, that first piece is so hard to get out. Well, this is just real simple in the tart pan. Now, all we're going to do is take 2 3-ounce packages of cream cheese and some powdered sugar, and we're going to cream those together. Now, you'll want your cream cheese to be at room temperature so it won't be so hard to beat. Okie doke. And this is just powdered sugar. All right, now we're going to turn this on, and I'm actually going to cover that just for a few minutes so that powdered sugar won't go everywhere. All right, now while that's beating up, I've got some whipping cream, some sweetened whipped cream that we're going to fold into this and put it into our tart pan. All right, so I'm going to blow it out for a minute and try to keep that powdered sugar in there. Yeah, and it's coming along. Our cream cheese actually could have been maybe just a little bit softer. All right. All right, so we're just going to fold in our whipped cream until we get that nice and incorporated. And it may take a minute because that cream cheese is a little stiffer than the whipped cream. Okay, now I've got the cream cheese incorporated. So we're just going to come over here. All right, and we're just going to spread that over those nice toasted pecans. Now you can pack this up and take this to the beach just like this. It might transport easier if you do it this way. And then when you get there, you can add your blueberry pie filling to the top of it. I can't wait that long. This is an ordinary blueberry pie filling. So doesn't that look delicious? All right, we've got this all ready, and I'm going to stick this one in the refrigerator and let it set because that whipping cream is still just a little soft. But I've got another one ready right here. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And let's see how easy this one's going to come out. Look at that. Isn't that great? It's actually prettier than a pie, isn't it? I just love doing tarts once in a while. Oh, and I'm going to have to sample this one. And I'm going to be very careful. Okay, I think I've gotten him pretty loose. All right, let's see if we have any luck getting him coming out clean. And I don't know why I'm bothering garnishing him. You know I'm fixing to have me a piece. I think I'm gonna put a little whipped cream on top of him. Oh, a quick, easy cross between a cheesecake and a pie. Oh, that crust was nice and crispy. It's just delicious. I just love those pecans. Hey
y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.